Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, myself Amol Nandev Kamble. I am studying in Jhil Polytechnic, Pune. I am from first year in mechanical engineering. According to all micro project based of learning activity. Today I am going to present a PowerPoint presentation regarding to our micro project. So let's begin. This PPT created by the student of Jhil Polytechnic, Papul Prem Hanumant, Kamble Shubham Tukaram, Kondalkar Aditya Anil, Dhamdere Atharva Ravindra, Kulkarni Abhay Sudhakar, Kamble Amol Nandev. Title of project: Water analysis. Prepare model to find a soap foaming capacity of bore water on addition of soda ash. Index: Introduction. The general formula of soap. Commercial production of soap. Fat in soap. Preparation of soap. Chemistry project on foaming capacity of soap. Introduction. Soap are sodium or potassium salt of higher fatty acid like stearic, palmitic and oleic acid can be either saturated or unsaturated. They contain a long hydrocarbon chain of about 10 to 20 carbon with one carbolic acid group as the functional group. A soap molecules a tadpole-shaped structure whose end have different polarities. At one end is the long hydrocarbon chain that is non-polar and hydrophobic, that is insoluble in water but oils soluble. At the other end is the short polar carboxylate ion which is hydrophilic, that is water soluble but insoluble in oil and grease. The general formula of soap. Soap are useful of cleaning because soap molecules have both a hydrophilic end which dissolve in water as well as a hydrophobic end which is able to dissolve non-polar grease molecules. Applied to a solid surface, soapy water effectively holds particles in colloidal suspension so it can be rinsed of which clean water. The hydrophobic portion made up of long hydrocarbon chain dissolve dirt and oil while the ionic and dissolve in water. The resultant form a round structure called Michels. Therefore, it allows water to remove normally insoluble matter by emulsification. Commercial production of soap. The most popular soap making process today is the cold process method, where fats such as olive oil rest with strong alkaline solution, while some soapers use the historical hot process. Handmade soap differed from industrial soap in that usually an excess of fat is sometimes used to consume the alkali superfatting, and in that the glycerin is not removed, leaving a naturally moisturization soap and not pure detergent. Obtain emollient such as jojoba oil or shea butter are added at trace, the point at which the saponification process is sufficiently advanced that the soap have begun to thickness. After most of the oils have saponified so that they remain unreact in the finished soap. Fat in soap. Soap is derived from either vegetable or animal fat. Sodium toluene, a common ingredient in much soap, is derived from rendered beef fat. Soap can also be made of vegetable oil, such as palm oil, and the product is typically softer. An array of saponificable oil and fats are used in the process, such as olive, coconut, palm, coconut butter to provide different qualities. For example, olive oil provides mildness in soap. Coconut oil provides lots of lather, while coconut and palm oil provide hardness. Sometimes castor oil can also be used as an ebullient. Smaller amount of unsaponifiable oil and fats that do not yield soap are sometimes added for further benefit. Preparation of soap. In cold process and hot process soap making, heat may be required for saponification. Cold process soap making takes place at a sufficient temperature to ensure the liquefaction of the fat begins used. Unlike cold processed soap, hot processed soap can be used right away because the alkali and fat saponify more quickly at the higher temperature used in hot processed soap making. Hot processed soap making was used when the purity of alkali was unreliable. Cleaning capacity of soap. Foaming capacity of soap. Thank you.